Sometimes you may be having a conversation with your friend when you realize that you had something to add to a prior conversation, so then you go back to talking about that. Chatbots can also sometimes refer to previous conversations as well, because they have some additional code built around them called memory. Let's see how memory of prior conversations affects how chatbots answer your most recent question. I'm going to ask a chatbot 2 questions. First, I'll ask, "Who is Steve Jobs?" and it will reply. Then I will ask it, "Who is Eddie Hsu?" I'll use LM Studio and download a model from Mistral AI. Let's see what it says. And don't worry if you can't read all the text. I'll show you the relevant highlights of the output in a moment. So here's a review of what just happened. In response to "Who is Steve Jobs?" the model replied that Steve Jobs is an entrepreneur and gave more details about Steve Jobs' life and work in technology. Then in response to "Who is Eddie Hsu?" it replied that Eddie Hsu is an entrepreneur and mentions several other things, none of which are true, but the point here is that they're all about engineering and business. So next, I'm going to start a new conversation with the same model. I'll ask it, "Who is Taylor Swift?" Then after it responds, I'll ask it, "Who is Eddie Hsu?"